Back to the Future clock, but I don't see the clock anywhere.
Maybe the lightning struck it. Look how big these old buildings.
Yeah, I think this entire building looks like the Washington building, you know?
It does look a little bit like Washington, D.C. And what's behind you?
On the City Hall. I thought it was the court where they do the judgment.
That's so cool. Belfast City Hall.
And here come the buses.
And the double-decker buses. We rode one earlier.
And this is the place where the Titanic is, like where all the people died.
Yep, there's a memorial garden we're gonna go see.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's check it out.
Yep. Who is this? Is this the
Captain?
captain?
Did you know he died with the ship?
He went down with the ship?
Yeah. Hey guys, we were walking around. We saw this giant market. Let's go check it out.
Yeah. Look at the fish. It's actually getting ready to close.
Yeah, this is the toy section.
I don't know. Looks so good. Can't wait to eat it.
What's this? So we were walking around, and you know how we have a Dollar Tree, but in United Kingdom they have poundland.
Oh.
$1.
No, £1. Oh, groceries too. Bounty coconut, just like Almond Joys. Kinders. Oh, we might find the chips here we like.
Hey guys, we keep walking around, we see different names. So we have TJ Maxx, and here in London they got K Maxx. It's just like Poundland, they just have something different.
Now I know they use pounds here, but are we in London?
Yes. No, we're not in London, we're in England somewhere. In New or Belfast. Hey guys, we're here at the bus station, and I don't know where all the buses went. I really enjoyed it here, and my favorite thing today was the Titanic. I really want to come back here for the prison. I think a bus is coming right now. I don't know. And you can see Irish train over here.
It's departing. Everybody arrived. And we're gonna ride a bus in in 1 hour. We're going to Dublin.
Yeah. Wait. I thought we were going to Ireland.
Yeah. Dublin's a city in Ireland.
Oh, we'll see you guys in Ireland.